When SPY QQQ are strong, you can literally find the strong names in the Mag 7 and you can long them. This morning, Apple was a great example. And Apple was also an MTF long trade. This is the 50 MTF, this is 20 MTF, this is 1 hour MTF. And Apple was pretty strong as well. We saw the flow, 330 flows on MTF. That gave a conviction to a lot of traders in the community went long on the Apple, and Apple really pushed hard. It's bullish. You just need to find a good entry closer to the 512 and trade it all day long. So that's a great example to trade something with MTF cloud. Another one good example of the MTF cloud market long today was Boeing. The Boeing turned on the MTF cloud later in the day right at 10 a.m. You can see that 10 a.m. concept. 512 calls and then pushing out the MTF clouds, and there's a news flag back over to push. So great example of using the MTF clouds for your bullish buys. MTF clouds are nothing but 1 hour EMA clouds, and we use it on 10 minutes so that we can get better entry on 10-minute chart, and we don't have to look at the 1 hour chart. Next we're going to look at is PLTR. So PLTR was our short in the community today. PLTR game plan was pretty straightforward. It was a day 2 setup for us, and you know that PLTR has been running a lot, has been extended a lot. When it broke this 1 hour MTF clouds, we already know it's bearish, and once it broke under the 65 level I gave, it was a short right at open. We didn't really meet the 58 target, but we hit our 60 target, and then it bounced. Of course 10 a.m. bounces, that's fine. Then it gave another short in 512. So why did it give a short? Because there's MTF rejections there. So that was MTF again, 1 hour MTF cloud that was helping with those rejections, and another short there. Look at some of specific MTF clouds trade here. MBLY plan on MBLY was Trump team using self-driving rules. Long if MTF holds, 1570 was the lower level, and you see where it's bouncing from, right from that level, right from the MTF clouds. That's why the MTF clouds provides you a very high consistent high probability trades. From that bounce it kept on to push towards 17 right now. There's another example that was CVS, bullish to neutral buys. Once it pushes out the MTF cloud, that's a long, and it was another couple bucks long in the community with MTF clouds. So that's what MTF clouds provides, especially if there's news and catalyst. It provides you a big level on 1 hour 3450 EMAs. Of course you don't just blindly follow the clouds, you also have to use your support level. So another example of your MTF cloud trade in the community was hood. So the game plan on the hood in the pre-market was trade versus MTF. That's what I told everybody, 3230, 3290, 2 levels. Hood bounced from MTF, reclaimed clouds, went 3450. The system tells you, and that's what we try to do. Our focus in our community is not just create sheep who are buying and selling on the alerts. Our focus is make people self-dependent with these high probability trading system that I've been teaching for so long.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.